Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming to you guys with my very first video for the year of 2018, and it is a hair video, of course. Yeah, kind of set the bar a little high. I wanted to do something a bit more challenging, so I grabbed some Marley braiding hair and came up with this right here. I think it is so cute. It is so over the top, and that's exactly what I was going for. Back when I first went natural and my hair started growing out a bit, Miss Vaughn had bought out her video with the updo with the Marley hair, and it was just so beautiful. And guys, I wore that style out, so I was just kind of like, wow, I've not tried any Marley hairstyles in like a long time. Like, I would seriously switch it up. I would do all types of things and just work with different shapes and come up with all types of hairstyles that I refer to as like artistry, you know, because you never really know how it's going to turn out, and it never turns out the same way each time, if you know what I mean. So I'm pretty sure I'll never be able to do this again, but I think it turned out awesome. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, continue watching this video. So right now we're starting with this. I got into the shower. Well, before I got into the shower, my hair was all pretty. I had like an old braid out, so it was like hanging, and you know, it had gotten really big because it had been stretched. And once I got into the shower, you know, that real texture started coming through, and you know, I just got a real reality check for 2018. So here we are. We're rocking the fro, and it really needs to be moisturized, like really bad. My hair, it just looks thirsty. So I'm gonna start by spraying it down. Could have actually done this while I was in the shower, but y'all know how it goes. Once I have a section separated, I'm going to add some of my As I Am Moisture Milk Daily Hair Revitalizer. I'm going to add it to this section, and I'm going to brush through it with my Denman brush. Okay guys, and once I have that section thoroughly detangled, I'm going to add some of my Eco Black Castor and Flaxseed Gel. Okay, so we have one ponytail. So if you lost me, I moisturized and detangled my hair, and I separated it into 4 different ponytails, which will be used to accomplish this hairstyle. So let's go ahead and get into styling. So I've grabbed 12 strands of my Marley braiding hair and I've tied a rubber band around it, and I'm now going to wrap that around my top ponytail. If you're curious as to how I tie the rubber band around the hair, I will show you guys in the next section, but right now I'm just going to make a bun. And I will also go through and I will make buns in all of the other sections as well. And this time I collected about 6 or 7 pieces of the Marley braiding hair, and I actually did show you how I tied the rubber band around the hair.
When the night is over, my life is over, 'cause I start thinking again about our time together. When the night is over, my life is over, 'cause I start thinking again about our time together.
Okay, so now I'm going to start by twisting all of those strands. I'm just going to do a big chunky twist, and this is what I will use to wrap around and begin my styling process. If you guys pay close attention, you will notice that I'm really just covering my buns, the buns underneath. Made sure I covered the bottom one, and now I'm taking that ponytail around the other bun. And then I'll pin it with numerous bobby pins, by the way. Okay guys, so I've started by separating my hair into 2 different sections. I've also taken that ponytail to the side where the rubber band is now on the side, and I'm now going to start twisting because I have to cover that middle bun before I can actually cover the top bun. So now I'm starting to wrap that around. But I'm actually going to pin the end of that twist prior to wrapping. I don't know why, but I felt like that would make things a lot easier. And once I pinned it, the first time I just wrapped it around the bun and continued to add more bobby pins until everything was secure. At this point, I'm really just feeling around, making sure that everything is tight and everything is secure and nothing will move or fall. And everything seemed to be pretty secure, and the shape is coming along really well. So guys, if you pay attention to me, you'll see that, I'm kind of moving the hair around to see what would work, what wouldn't work. Okay guys, so that pretty much wraps up this look. I hope that this tutorial is easy for you guys to follow, and thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and thank you so much to my new subscribers, old subscribers, anyone thinking about subscribing, go ahead and do it. Comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.